Chief Executive Member ka KHADC uba Winston Tony Lingdo uli itu benakaliang ulat ke Jylla ulai gejeng menjur halor ke Executive Committee ke Thymmai ke bentau hapo ka KHADC. Habakran ni gelat patai kubor ka kandai trik urisau arajar arpusan uli itu bagi Executive Committee Thymmai ka KHADC ka Thup ya Chief Executive Member uba Winston Tony Lingdo rengkat bat ki nyongot ke Executive Member Thymmai. Hagabaidai bagajeng batekam Thymmai CEM ke KHADC uba Winston Tony Lingdo unbat ikatna General Administration, Appointment, Posting and Transfer Establishment, Trade Enforcement, Revenue Collection, Arts and Culture, Khasi Traditional Medicine Commission bat kiwi kitanat kiba klem batia syakiwi. Uba Powell Soklet MDC kamautat Raishan unbat ya katanat Land, Development and Information and Technology, uba Saibor lang warba MDC kamau penro unbat ikatnat Finance, Taxation bat Forest. Ikong Aiban Dublin F Lingdo nong light MDC kameliam inbat ikatnat Health bat Sanitation, Solid Waste Management bat Education. Ikong Deity H Majau MDC kalat mkra Malki inbat ikatnat Law bat Legal Matters kentup implementation of Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Act and Rules, Constitution of Courts, Marriage and Divorce and Town Committees. Uba isnay hing MDC ko umroy unbat ikatnat Water Resources but Fisheries, uba penkrau boklin karjaren MDC ko maukarwat unbat ikatnat Council Buildings and Council Assets bat ke Building Bylaws, kadba MDC ko mauprem uba Denzel Renard Chen unbat ikatnat Ilaka Administration bat Markets.
Dia gitu ki list of EMs di tang bancu pentip syapi mentah kesengi nak kalian kejongan la ban ya bati ki kam aga bidai bat ki portfolios nani ki kam ki bakin shim ki executive members ki batmai saya ngangan puli ke longkom ni mga CEM ba Winston Tony Lindo in ngan page ki portfolios ki badai jongka General Administration Appointment, Posting, Transfer, Establishment, Trade Enforcement, Revenue Collection, Art Culture, Khasi Traditional Medicine Commission, but kiwi ki portfolios ki bam alot kiwi members. Ba RPD iba Paul Soklet executive members in page Yakalan, Development and Information and Technology. Iba Saibor lang warba EM in page Yaka Finance, Taxation but ka Forest. Ikong Aiban Dublin F Lingdo nong light in page Yaka Health, Sanitation, Solid Waste Management but ka Education. Ikong Deity H Majau in page Yaka Law, Legal Matters including implementation of Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Act and Rules, Constitution of Courts, Marriage and Divorce and Town Committee. Iba isnay in page Yaka Water Resources but ka Fisheries. Iba penkrau boklin karjarin in page Yaka Council Building, Council Asset but Building Bylaws. But iam iba Thymmai jungi hari ke isi ide ba Denzel Renard Chen in page Yaki Ilaka Administration but ka Market. Ini di jing pensyai kindiat dan di jing pentip syapi hakabai day bat ki portfolios ki ba asam ki EMs ki ba Thymmai.